What's up, everybody? Remington from Impulse Creative, and today I'm super excited to talk about some advanced features that Drift just rolled out that allow for sales, service, and marketing ops to have a little bit more control over how conversations are routed to team members. Now, there's a couple different scenarios here, one of which is live chat works 24/7. So if your bot is routing messages and handling inquiries while everyone's sleeping, there's going to be some backlog when you guys get into the office in the morning. There's also going to be opportunities where some of your people are changing shifts, or maybe someone's super busy, and Drift has made it so that there are added features available so that you can set the maximum number of open conversations per person, and also allows for that to be rerouted somewhere else if they don't respond quickly enough. This is a huge feature that I'm going to get into. So we're going to jump into these, and I'm going to show you where to find them and how to set them. And then if you have any questions, you got to hit me up. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go into settings. Now this is for the company and enterprise plans. So these features may not be available if you're on the free or you're on the starter plan. But when you get into your Drift account, you go to the gear for settings, and you're going to go to conversations. And when you go to conversations, you're going to scroll all the way down to advanced. Now, in advanced, you're going to see two things. One is we have this limit chats for your reps. And so you can set this feature if you've got multiple reps that are in the system to make it so it automatically will set them to away when they have 3 open conversations or 5 open conversations. This will allow for your reps to focus on the quality and closing out of the conversations while they're working them. This can be a really great way of ensuring quality, ensuring that people are closing out conversations and moving on with the ones that need help. Now, if you have a small team, that may not be something you want to do. So keep in mind, and you only use that if you know you've got enough people to manage the number of inquiries coming in. The next one is rerouting conversations with no participants. So this can happen if a conversation comes in and it's not assigned to anyone. Maybe it's a chatbot that is rolling and asking questions, and then someone asks a question that isn't picked up by the chatbot, or the chatbot closes a conversation and then someone chats and it reopens it. If there's no participants that are going to be being picked up in that, what you can do is you can route these conversations as soon as an agent comes online, and it can be really, really important to keep that queue going. The next one is if we go down to the DriftBot settings. And if you go to DriftBot settings, you can scroll further down and you're going to see team availability. So team availability is a really awesome thing because what you can do here is you can inspire a culture of immediacy with your live chat inquiries. A minute, 2 minutes is a lifetime in regards to live chat. And so what you want to do is make sure that your team is engaged and utilizing the tool so that they have the opportunity to serve your prospects and your customers. So in order to do this, what you need to do, this is for routed conversations. You can turn this on and you can say if an agent doesn't respond to a visitor's message after a set amount of time, you can go all in and say you have to respond within 30 seconds. Or of course, you've got all the way up to 10 minutes. And what you can do is you can set what you want the action to be. Now, it may not be a great idea to immediately give a calendar link. We kind of hold this as something that we only want for qualified individuals. But the cool thing is you can make it so that it routes to another agent, or you can make it so that it tells the person that they're not there at the moment. This can be really handy if someone's super busy, for instance. Maybe they have too many open conversations, or maybe they're just not in the office actually sitting at their desk at that moment when the chat comes in. So figure out what you want your buffer to be, and then figure out what the next step should be also. So this is the settings for the routed conversations. Of course, you can choose an away message. You want to make sure to keep it super conversational so that it just enhances the experience. The other thing you can do is for all other conversations. So this could be conversations that don't necessarily have or have been routed to a particular individual. You can keep this one a little bit more open and make it so that you can have that away message for anyone that's inquiring that doesn't get an immediate response. So this is a great thing to turn on if you're able to, so that you can make sure, and it almost acts as a catch-all, that people are being addressed and not just hanging out waiting for a response. After all, what is the point of live chat if you're not having a conversation? All right, so these are some pretty awesome features that you can implement today. Let me know what you think about them. Hit me up on Twitter at RemingtonBeg. And if you need any help with this, remember, my team at Impulse Creative can help you out. If you'd like to see other tutorials we've done, you can go ahead and you can do that right here. And if you'd like to subscribe to our daily videos, you can go ahead and do that right here. But until next time, I'm Remington from Impulse Creative. Have a great day.